but you can still walk into.
Hey, it's Pam. Welcome to Tap Realty. So today we are in Santa Rosa Estates 2. So it's along Tagaytay Santa Rosa Road. So if you know King B, Chowking, it's near those establishments. Behind me is a residential lot. 386 square meters. You have a lot of space at the back. So the lot behind me is facing southeast. The fact that papaya trees are able to thrive here, it means that the land is very fertile. So if you're planning to grow your own vegetable garden or have herbs, you can do that in your own residential lot here in Santa Rosa Estates 2. The homes around are inspired by Italian design, so a bit of Mediterranean twist.